Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan and today we are exploring a fantastic free tool that makes video creation easier than ever before. Whether you are a content creator, a business owner or just someone who wants to make cool videos, this tool will help you save time and effort. It's called a Hailuo AI and I am going to show you how it's works. Hailuo AI is a free AI video generator that does most of the heavy lifting for you, whether you are making video for YouTube, Instagram or any other social media platform. This tool will help you turn your ideas into videos in a minute. No fancy software or editing skills needed, okay? Hailuo AI will automatically generate a video with visuals and animations based on what you wrote. For example, I will type out a short script about how to start YouTube channel. Once you are happy with the text, Hailuo AI will automatically generate a video. Also, Hailuo AI doesn't just stop there. You can customize your video too. You can choose different style, themes, and even the music. Let's take a look how you can tweak your video to make it match your style. You can choose from HD resolutions, which is perfect for YouTube, or even smaller sizes if you are posting on social media, and it's free to download with no watermarks. If you are just starting out or need to make videos quickly for a project, this tool will save you tons of time. So no more delay, let's get started. Alright guys, this is the website. Just type on Google hailuoai.video and you will land it in this page. This is the front page, this is the interface, very easy, and there are two options like discover and mine. So discover, so let's discover something else and you will find all the videos already created guys, so you can download from there, okay? And also you can integrate into your project, into your YouTube videos, okay? That's crazy guys, but in this video I will show you how you can create yourself. So imagine video creation, unleash your creativity, share your story here. So you can write it here. Also you can copy paste from a ChatGPT or Gemini also, okay? Also you can write it here. So I have already copied from a prompt, so let's paste it here. This is the prompt guys, so you can generate using ChatGPT. If you don't know how to generate a different awesome prompt, so comment below, I will show you another tutorial how you can create prompt using ChatGPT, okay guys? So this is the prompt, so you can read it out, okay guys? So it's time to create, so let's create the video. Alright guys, when you hit this button, you will see Hailuo AI video. You have to force to create a account. So no problem, you can use your Google account. So sign in with your Google account, okay guys? So also you can create before, that's mean you can sign in with your Gmail account before, okay? This is the option. Alright guys, so let's click on continue with Google. Alright guys, finally I logged in with my Gmail account and this is free plan I am using and it's a trial version. So let's click on here. Alright guys, so video generation is in progress. Exciting, will not halt videos creation process. So here you can see this is the mine section. That's mean I am just creating this video and it's progressing. So that's mean the final video will come up here. The video shows a scene set in 1950s. In the picture, AT800 robot is walking on the streets of an American city. The urban landscape is full of retro atmosphere. There are old-fashioned cars parked on both sides of the street. People are wearing medieval style clothes, including men wearing top hats and women wearing petticoat dresses, okay? The buildings are decorated with classic neon sign and advertisement of the time, creating a nostalgic atmosphere. The T800 robot shines in the sunlight with the metal, okay? So it's all about the video prompts guys. You can generate using ChatGPT guys. So check it out my other videos, you will find that. So if you don't, so please comment below, okay? So 30% done, so let's see and I will show you the final result guys. Alright guys, so finally our video is ready. So let's open the video and let's play the video. Alright guys, look at the video, same to same like as prompt. The robot is walking, it's an American city and it's a really old-fashioned style, okay? It's a 1950s style. So if you want to delete this, you can. So, and I think you want to download this. Very simple. Just click on here, download. It will download it into device. So no hassle, just free. Alright guys, so let's create the another one. Okay, so let's click on generate. Alright, so 96% already done. Alright guys, so finally our second video is ready, so let's have a look. It's a big giant Godzilla guys. So can you imagine this? We can see in the movie, but you can create it right now using this kind of tools guys. It's amazing guys. Alright, so let's download it. Go ahead and try it out for yourself. And if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more awesome tutorials like this one. Also let me know in the comments if you are using AI tools to create videos and how it's working out for you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.